Yo, that's the waste man I come there. I'm paying the man and come and I pay for playing chat, you know. I don't want Munchie that pay a bunch of game and a fool, you know. I never talk about Munchie and Munchie in a game of fuck.
I'm different man, Munchie and fuck my friend.
I good all that too, you know, cause watch you know. I one story I come tell you about him, man, you know. I beg you. Watch and see.
Yeah, man, a storyteller him be there.
Alright.
Let's go start calling him third narrator, my friend.
Dad, guess what?
Narrator, my friend.
Dad, I become a man, dad. I got a doctor yesterday, dad. Check it out. Yo, how are you? So I go.
Yo, wait about free work going for the paper, yeah, dad.
Man, you know, say I fool, man. Look on this, man. You know, say a girl I give a bun and tell me not a thing. Me a man, me sure about that. They have gonorrhea. You know what is gonorrhea? A sickness, a virgin. What kind of money? People never look on the paper and come and talk. Me I tell you, say, woman, I give me a bun. Me deaf. She give me gonorrhea. Me love her. Is you know what is, man? I can't take some no lazy argument every day to me. Like, yeah, man, for me. I don't know about Uno, but Munchie give me a bun and she give me gonorrhea. I love her for that. Remember, I tell you, no, my all this, yeah, man. All this. Matter of fact, give me paper too. Paper too. Munchie love me. And me, Munchie, Uno for good. That's why I'm not like come to and tell you some things, you know. Munchie, I love you. Yeah. Tell me, no. No, no. Me a man!
Go girl clown. You see Munchie give her 9 ball. Go. Go. Nah, tell him man by 3 o'clock he might come back to a different story.
Right, and that we can't take one bag of girl thing on my head and team store them maybe make one in the dog. Dog right now, that take you to the list, I'm going to live for me.
Yeah, man, we can't make that man come back on.